We are five in my family.
There are five of us in my family.
This restaurant is opened every day.
This restaurant is open every day.
I have been abroad 5 years.
I have been abroad for 5 years.
My son suggested to go for a walk.
My son suggested going for a walk.
I have got many homeworks for this weekend.
I have got a lot of homework for this weekend.
While I dress, I look at me in the mirror.
While I dress, I look at myself in the mirror.
The woman which works here is from the France.
The woman who works here is from France.
We like very much ice cream.
We like ice cream very much.